If you're worried that your Windows 11 PC might get too hot, it is easy to check its temperature. So with this video tutorial, we will teach you simple ways to check the CPU temp in Windows 11. Now if you don't want to install software, you can typically find the current CPU temp in the UEFI or BIOS. And in order for you to do it, open Advanced Startup, click Change Advanced Startup Options, then click Restart Now in the right panel. Now your PC will reboot into a blue Choose an Option screen, and you have to click Troubleshoot on the blue screen, select Advanced Options, click UEFI Firmware Settings, then click Restart. Now in here, locate the CPU or Performance or Power or the HW Monitor section. Now the location of CPU temperature will vary by model, but it should be visible in most UEFI and BIOS environments. But to make sure that monitoring CPU temperature is easy, you can also download an application. You can download Core Temp from this website, open it, install it, open it, and monitor the CPU temperature as you perform tasks. But if you're a heavy gamer, you can install MSI Afterburner. You can install it by going to this website, unzip the downloader, then double-click the installer. Now once downloaded, you have to click the gear icon, go to Monitoring tab, and add each instance of CPU temperature on the on-screen display. Once open, you should now see the Afterburner's on-screen display. And as you play your game, you will now be able to monitor your CPU temperature over time. Now that's how easy you can check your CPU temperature on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.